How to make money according to Thumbtack. Most installers charge double to install lights on a second story. And don't forget about the removal costs. Thumbtack also noted that you can charge about half of what you charge to install for that. You also can choose to wrap outdoor trees with lights and charge $60 to $1,200 for each, depending on tree size. Many seasonal jobs are available that pay quite a bit, but you're going to need to rotate through them if you want to maintain income all year round, or work very hard during that one season. 16. Become a home organizer, up to $49 an hour. A professional home organizer makes up to $49 an hour, according to PayScale, with an average hourly rate of $20.18. To start organizing professionally, post listings on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, or connect with your neighbors on Nextdoor. 17. Help with home gardening, average income of $16.12 per hour. Do you have a green thumb? Maybe it's time to become a gardener. The average gardener makes around $16 per hour, according to Indeed, so you'll need to work about 19 hours to make $300. Plus, on average, gardeners make $3,938 in overtime per year. 18. Assist with deliveries or moving, average earnings of $38 to $109 per hour, depending on your moving vehicle. Delivery drivers often need some muscle to help them load and unload their trucks for deliveries and moves. Sign up with GoShare to become a helper and earn a minimum average of $38 per hour. Or, at Dolly, the Hands, are paid $20 an hour, plus tips. Thanks. Subscribe.